everybody, welcome back to Just Style and Performance. I'm Joshua, and today I've got some interesting Jeep facts. The Jeepster Commando was first introduced by Kaiser Motors in 1966 to compete with the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Ford Bronco. A throwback to the original Willys Jeepster, the Jeepster C101, aka the first Commando, was produced from 1966 to 1971 and came in several different body styles, including the station wagon, convertible, pickup, and of course the Roadster. Now these Jeeps were equipped with the F-Head Hurricane Straight 4, where the C101 also came with a 160 horsepower, 235 foot-pounds of torque Dauntless V6 option, which of course was the most preferred. Now today we're going to be talking about Sal's 1971 Jeep Jeepster Commando Deluxe, and his is definitely what the definition of a Jeep really is. Personally, Jeeps are one of my favorite vehicles out there for overland experiences. When you think of going out into the countryside, driving through the back roads, off-road, and going through all-terrain things, to a lot of people, including me, the first thing that pops in my head is of course a Jeep. Now Sal's Jeep is more of the characteristics of a rugged Jeep, something that is classic, but something where you can go off-road and still have a good time with. Now I love the appearance of Sal's Jeep. This thing is not fully painted. It's definitely not going to win a beauty pageant or best paint in any car show, but it looks like a rugged Jeep. It's painted a variety of different colors. It's still got some of an original green painted in there. It does have a few nice chrome pieces on it, such as the chrome front and rear bumper, and it does have a white removable hardtop. The other thing about the Jeep is of course the 15-inch wheels painted white to match the hardtop, and it's fitted with a brand new set, less than 100 miles, of Vantage all-terrain tires. And these tires don't have a whole lot of road noise going down the road. You get in the Jeep and you go cruising with it, have the windows down. It's actually a nice, smooth, and quiet ride. Now the interior of our Jeep is absolutely beautiful and it's simple. One thing I love the most about Jeeps back in the day is how simple the interiors really were. But the interior is fitted with a lot of new parts and pieces in it, such as a brand new headliner, brand new rubber floor, brand new reupholstered front bucket seats and rear bench seats. It's also got the TH400 automatic 3-speed shifter in the floor with the 4-wheel drive shifter down there as well. Now Sal's Jeep was fitted with the Dauntless 225 cubic inch V6 motor that runs like a clock. Just listen to how this motor sounds. That motor sounds pretty damn good, and the great thing about the motor, it's gone through a full rebuild on it. That is a fully rebuilt V6 Dauntless motor, making the 160 horsepower, 235 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a fully rebuilt 2-barrel carburetor and a whole lot of other new options done to the motor. It's got a brand new stainless steel exhaust and muffler, new hoses, new belts, new wires, new plugs, a brand new points distributor, a new stainless steel fuel tank and fuel pump, brand new master cylinder, and all the brakes all have brand new shoes in them, and it runs smooth. When you take this thing out for a drive, you're going to enjoy every minute of it. The nice part is, if you get to the end of the road and you're not near your destination, throw this Jeep into 4-wheel drive and keep on going. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Sal's 1971 Jeep Jeepster Commando Deluxe, well, all you gotta do is just give me a call. You can reach me at 407-970-6866. Now, if you like this video and you've seen a couple of other videos I posted on the channel and you want to see more, best thing to do is just hit that red subscribe button. And if you really like this Jeep, make sure you give me a call today. Until next time, I'll be seeing you here at Just Style and Performance.